Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to add text into Premiere Pro, guys. So let's say you want to go ahead and add text to a video on Premiere Pro. This video is going to go ahead and help you guys out with that. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get right into it. So basically what you're going to want to go ahead and do is you're going to want to head over where my cursor's at, and basically there's going to be a few icons you can actually select here. There's a slip tool, there's a pen tool, there's a hand tool, and there's a type tool. Now, this is where you can actually use text. So basically it's as easy as clicking it and then clicking the video on your screen, and then here you can actually see that you can now type the text. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put type, and then right here you can go ahead and select it. And then what you're gonna want to do is here on this text right here, the effect controls, you can actually change the fill, you can change the stroke of the actual text. You can see here that the text now has a stroke. Now if you go ahead and select it, you can actually add the stroke right here. So it gives it all types of stuff to it, and you can pretty much adjust the text from here, adjust its transformation, its position, its scale, and a lot more. So it's very easy to do, guys, and that's how you go ahead and add text to Premiere Pro. Very easy. But with that being said, guys, hopefully you found this video helpful. If you haven't already, leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys for the next video.